stone and ember, roses and musk, lions at midnight, guardians of trust. I sleep with the muses, I walk with the king. Farewell days of judgment, I now wear the ring. The black and the red, the sulphurous storm are gone with the winter, as new life is born. Promise me 9 doors, a chain of 9 keys, moonlight and bright stars, 9 mysteries.
Hi, my name is Chris Hurlbert, and you've been watching my video. Are you a little confused by the things that I've been saying? I hope you are, because I sure am. Climate change is a touchy subject to everyone, whether it be because of politics, economics, demographics, even religion. Now this semester, I've listened to some of the brightest minds speak about climate change. I know the science. I understand the facts. I've seen all the graphs and all the pictures. Climate change is real. Now normally I'm an extremely optimistic person, but as an anthropology major, specializing in the understanding of culture and society and how those two things work as a biological organism together, I'm scared of climate change. We need to do something. Doing the small things like recycling, picking up garbage, getting energy efficient light bulbs, or driving your car less, riding a bike, those things are important. But on the global level, they don't make a difference. What we need are actual policy, laws, regulations, and enforcement of them all across the world. We as a species have invaded this planet, and we've changed the very essence of life. We are now the single most important catalyst of evolution this planet has ever seen. And as a species, we have reached a crossroads. In one direction lies a happy future, one where humanity has reached a level of sustainability between ourselves and nature. We understand the importance of the natural world, and we live accordingly. We successfully changed. In the other direction, we did not change. We burned all of the fossil fuels on the planet, releasing tremendous amounts of carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. One path leads to survival, the other leads to death. If we can make a change now, we will level off predictions at a sustainable level. And that's what we need to do. Two things need to happen. A worldview shift among the populations of the world, as well as policy regulations enforced by their governments. If those two things can happen, we're going to be fine. If not, well, I have no idea.